Replacing your windows is a significant investment in your home, especially in Fort Worth, where extreme weather conditions can impact energy efficiency and home comfort. Whether you're upgrading to improve insulation, enhance curb appeal, or reduce energy costs, avoiding common mistakes will ensure a successful window replacement project. Here are the key errors to avoid when replacing your windows in Fort Worth. Choosing the wrong type of windows. Not all windows are created equal, and selecting the wrong type can lead to increased energy costs and maintenance issues. Fort Worth experiences both hot summers and occasional winter freezes, so choosing energy-efficient, weather-resistant windows is crucial. Look for Energy Star-rated windows with low E coatings and argon gas insulation to help keep your home comfortable year-round. Ignoring local climate considerations. Fort Worth's climate can be harsh, with scorching summer temperatures and unpredictable storms. Failing to choose windows that can withstand these conditions may result in premature wear and damage. Consider durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite windows that offer excellent insulation and durability in both heat and cold. DIY installation without proper expertise. While DIY projects can save money, window replacement is not the best place to cut corners. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and decreased energy efficiency. Professional window installers have the experience, tools, and knowledge to ensure your windows are installed correctly and securely. Not considering energy efficiency. Many homeowners overlook the importance of energy efficiency when selecting replacement windows. Windows with poor insulation can lead to higher utility bills due to heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Look for double or triple pane windows with high energy efficiency ratings to reduce your energy costs and keep your home comfortable year-round. Focusing only on cost over quality. It's tempting to choose the cheapest option available, but lower quality windows may not last as long or provide the best insulation. Investing in high-quality windows may have a higher upfront cost, but they will save you money in the long run through energy savings and reduced maintenance costs. Not checking for proper permit. Fort Worth has building codes and regulations for window replacement, and failing to secure the necessary permits can lead to fines or issues when selling your home. Before starting your project, check with local authorities or hire a reputable contractor who understands the permitting process. Overlooking proper window measurements. One of the most common mistakes in window replacement is incorrect measurements. Even a slight miscalculation can lead to gaps, air leaks, or windows that don't fit properly. To avoid this issue, always double-check measurements and consult a professional if needed. Choosing the wrong window style. Windows are a significant design element of your home. Selecting a style that doesn't match your home's aesthetic can affect curb appeal and resale value. Consider the architectural style of your home and choose windows that complement the existing design while offering functionality and efficiency. Neglecting maintenance requirements. Each window material has different maintenance needs. Wood windows require regular painting or staining, while vinyl and fiberglass options need minimal upkeep. Consider how much maintenance you're willing to perform before making a final decision. Not hiring a reputable contractor. Choosing the right contractor is just as important as selecting the right windows. Work with a licensed, experienced, and insured window replacement company in Fort Worth to ensure professional installation. Check online reviews, ask for references, and get multiple quotes to make an informed decision. Conclusion: avoiding these common mistakes will help you get the most out of your window replacement project in Fort Worth. By selecting the right windows, hiring professional installers, and considering factors like energy efficiency and climate suitability, you can enhance your home's comfort, value, and efficiency for years to come. If you're ready to replace your windows, consult a trusted local window specialist to ensure a smooth and successful installation.